Good morning, Dolphins!
Hi, Vintage Parkway. How are you?
We are so happy to see you guys again, and somehow, Miss Mattis, it is December.
I can't believe it.
I can't believe it. It's very strange, but we are here, and we're going to go through some fun wintry announcements, starting with, of course, some jokes.
My famous jokes, jokes for December, are all winter themed, so I have a few for you today. First one, what do elves learn in school? The alphabet.
The alphabet. Oh, wow.
Yep. Where do snowmen keep their money? In a snowbank.
Snowbank.
A snowbank. What do you get when you cross a snowman with a vampire? Frostbite.
Ah.
And last but not least, what did the gingerbread man put on his bed? A cookie sheet.
Oh, a cookie sheet. That reminds me, Miss Mattis, this weekend we should do some gingerbread baking and make sure we do some of those fun wintry things like eggnog and spiced cider and all those cool things. You're originally from Chicago, right?
Mm-hmm.
It was cold there every winter,
They've
right?
already had snow.
Oh, man.
They already had snow a few days ago.
Okay.
A lot of it. So it does get snowy, but
Well,
you do get to build fun stuff.
Probably no snow in Oakley this year.
Nope.
But 2020's been weird. Who knows?
We could get some. Or some people might go to the mountains. You might be able to go to the mountains over winter break and see some snow. Who knows?
Yes, but we're going to see all of you guys again on that last Friday before winter break. So we'll talk to you about winter break then. But we wanted to talk about November. We have some November attendance winners that we are going to be honoring right now.
Okay, so for November, we have for kindergarten and first grade, our November winner is Miss Tobin's class with 99.44%.
Awesome.
For second and third grade, 2 months in a row, Mrs. Lee's class, 98.95.
Awesome.
And in fourth and fifth grade, we have a different one this month. It's Miss Ulrichson's class with 98.3%.
Nice job, campers. Well done.
So we're going to have a special Zoom session for those students on 12/17, which is Thursday, the day before the last day. And we're going to be playing a virtual game with the principal. But you don't need anything for it if you're in those classes.
All right, so if you're in those classes, you'll get an invite, and we're going to be doing something virtual, something exciting. We'll find out more, okay?
Great.
All right, so why don't we talk about some splash ticket winners? And then this sign under my arm is going to tell us what our spirit day is going to be on the 18th.
I can't wait.
All right, now, for splash tickets, in kindergarten, from Miss Rodriguez's class, Jackson A. for being respectful, and Cecilia L. from Miss Tobin's class for doing a fantastic job participating on Zoom every day. Nice job.
Wonderful. In first grade, we have Santiago G. in Mrs. Kerwin's class for being responsible, and Olivia J. in Miss Kelly's class for coming to Zoom prepared.
Nice job. Second grade, Drea G. in Miss Lee's class for being helpful, and Melissa L. in Miss Cobold's class for working hard to catch up on everything.
Wonderful. In third grade, in Mrs. Swan's class, Audrina H. for being responsible, and also in Mrs. Swan's class, Eli S. for being responsible. Great job, guys.
In fourth grade, the campers of Mrs. Reynolds and Mrs. Spinka honor Kamari for being responsible, and from Miss Rinder's class, Emma G. for always asking great questions.
And in our fabulous fifth grade, in Mrs. Merrill's class, Ricardo G. for being responsible, and in Mrs. Davis's class, Emily S. for great effort on her StoryWorks answers.
Nice job, splash ticket winners. We give you a round of applause.
We're backwards.
We're backwards.
It's okay.
It's okay.
Yes.
It's 2020.
Absolutely.
All right, so couple announcements of some things that are coming up. This coming Wednesday, the 9th, is a pick-up and drop-off day, and almost all of the grade levels have stuff to pick up this time. It's our last one before winter break, so make sure to check out if your teacher wants you to come by between 9 a.m. and 3:30. to pick up some things to continue with all your schoolwork. And thank you for all you guys are doing to stay organized. Then, the following week, our last week before winter break, on the Tuesday evening of that week, there's going to be a cool event. It's like a winter musical celebration. Have you heard much about this yet, Miss Mattis?
I've heard a little bit about it,
Okay,
yes, I did.
We're doing something different because we got to make it a little wintry and a little celebratory and a little musical and a little December, but we got to make it work. So we're going to do something neat. So look out for that. It's a district-wide event across all of our 7 elementary schools and our 2 middle schools here in Oakley. We're going to be doing that on Tuesday evening, the 15th. Most importantly, we have our December theme day. It's going to be on that last day before winter break, the 18th of December. 4th and 5th grade student leadership has been working hard on some materials, and it is
Winter Day! Yay!
So, wear your fluffiest coat. Wear your mittens. What else can you wear on
Hats.
Winter Day? Ooh,
Hat.
you can wear
Earmuffs.
a beanie. You can wear some earmuffs. You can just shiver your way through the entire Zoom that class. Okay, maybe not, but talk to your teachers about what you can do in your class to celebrate Winter Day on the 18th. That is the Friday before winter break. And in fact, that is the day that we will see you back on YouTube.
Alrighty. Have a great day, guys. Thank you.
Bye, Dolphins.
Bye.